Hi preschool, good morning. Today we are going to continue our 3D tactile art project with trees. As you can see, the leaves are 3D, however the trunk of the tree is not 3D. So the materials you're going to need for this project today are your heavy duty piece of paper. You're also going to need some colorful construction paper, one ground piece for the trunk of the tree, and then colorful paper for the leaves. You're also going to need something to write with, and your liquid or glue stick, and a pair of scissors. So to start, we're going to start with your brown piece of paper for the trunk of the tree and something to write with. You're going to create an inch line going from the top of the paper down to the bottom of the paper. Okay, something just like that. Next, you're going to take all of your colorful pieces of paper and we're going to draw our leaves. To draw your leaf, you're going to create a teardrop shape from one side and connecting to a point on the other side. Something like that. And you're going to make about, I want to say 15 to 20 leaves per paper. Now I have already pre-cut some of my leaves so you can see what they're going to look like when you cut them out. Okay, so now that you have drawn all your leaves, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut out the trunk of the tree on that straight line, and you're going to cut out all of your leaves. Again, I already pre-cut some of mine so that the video goes a lot faster. This will be a project that takes you a bit of time just because of all the leaves you have to draw and all the different shapes you have to cut out. Okay, so now I have the trunk of my tree and I'm going to cut out my leaves. Be very, very careful when you're drawing your leaves that you don't make them too small or super, super big. You want them to be about quarter size. Parents, you may need to help with your kids with this project just to make sure that they are accurately putting everything on the paper. So once you have all of your leaves cut out, you can see it's nice and flat. In order to make it 3D, you're going to take your leaf and we're going to fold it in half. Straight through the middle, make a nice crease, just like so. Okay, so as you can see, it is now folded in the middle. Okay, and I'm going to do that with all of my leaves. Not just one, we're going to do it with all of them. Okay, so once you have all of your leaves folded, you're going to take your glue stick, your paper, and your tree trunk, and you're going to glue the trunk of your tree right into the middle of the paper. Do a nice big spot of glue to make sure that it sticks, just like so. And I'm going to glue my tree trunk down onto the paper, just like so. Again, if your tree trunk is too long and it's coming almost to the top of the paper, you can cut that extra off so you have tons of room for your leaves. Now when you glue your leaves down, as you can see on mine, they are 3D. The way that you make them 3D is we folded our leaves in half. You are only going to glue one side of your leaf down. To show you what I mean, you're going to take your glue stick, you're going to put a nice big glue spot on your paper. Now with your folded leaf, I am only going to take one side of that and stick it to the paper. And the other side is still off of the paper. And you're going to do that with all of your leaves. I'll show you again. Put a glue spot down, and now I'm going to glue only 1/2 of my leaf down. And you can do as many leaves as you want. I did about 20, like I said, in order to achieve a nice full looking tree. And all of your leaves, it doesn't matter which side you put down on the paper or you leave up in the air. I did mine back and forth, alternating. I did different sides just so that it has more of a three-dimensional look to it. And if you want, when you are all finished with your tree, just like this one, you can go ahead and design the background however you would like to. I put some grass on mine with some markers. You can put some clouds or birds in the sky. It's however creative you would like to create your tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.